As we have repeatedly said, while we respect the independence of each branch, it is elementary that these branches must accord respect to each other. And the golden rule always apply. What you do not want others to do to you, do not do unto them. Every time members of Congress are invited by the President, or when they make courtesy calls, they are accorded due respect. And so, we of course demand the same respect when they invite members of the cabinet, and for that matter, any worker in the government. Thank you.
Thank you, Presidential Spokesperson Secretary Salvador Panelo. MPC question. Celerina.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, you have mentioned
Afternoon.
that... good afternoon. Oh, good afternoon. Sir, you have mentioned that the palace would not allow similar incident from taking place again. How?
How? Well, we have many options, or let's say two options. One, we will decline any invitation if we feel that they will be repeating the same kind of treatment that a member of Congress would suffer in the process. Number two, we will go there if invited, but the moment any sign of disrespect is given a member of the cabinet, we will excuse ourselves and beg leave from